can see my blood pressure is 110/73, which is beautiful. Today we are unboxing an activity wristband stroke watch, an activity tracker, a health fitness tracker combo, all in one. But first and foremost, why are we even using trackers, fitness trackers? That's because when you're over 40-45, you need to know your numbers. You need to know your blood pressure reading. You need to know your blood sugar readings. You need to know all the numbers that keep you ticking. Hey, my name is Ngo and I am passionate about helping you look your very best no matter your age. This video is an introduction to one fitness tracker that I discovered that not just monitors your sleep patterns, your oxygen levels, your steps, your heartbeats, it also monitors your blood pressure. You can check your blood pressure with this wristband. So if you are interested in always knowing what your blood pressure reading is at any given point in time, then this video is for you. Are you ready? Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing, put a like, and tap the notification bell so that whenever we release videos, you'll be among the first to be notified, so you can come see what we have in store for you. Let's do this. It is my great pleasure to unbox this video. And by the way, it is a gift from my darling husband. I placed an order online and it was delivered today. And being a new toy, new shiny toy, we can sleep until it is revealed. Are you ready for the unveiling? Woo! This is what it looks like. You are seeing it for the first time, just like me. Whew. It is not about the brand. It is about the necessity to know your statistics, to know your numbers. As you get older, you need to know your blood sugar levels and your blood pressure levels. Just like some videos that I've shot before that points out the dangers of not monitoring your blood sugar levels. Remember, your blood sugar is an important factor. Your blood pressure is also an important factor. This is going to be the beginning of the series of the dangers of not monitoring your blood pressure levels. Let's read sedentary reminder, which means when you sit down for a long time, it will ask you to get up. It's waterproof, Bluetooth camera. You can play games, no. Weather display, information display, incoming call. It checks your calories, GPS via phone, control of sound. It monitors your heart rate. It monitors your blood pressure, like I told you before, and 120 spot modes and alarms. Okay. This is beautiful. This particular make comes in blue and black colors, and I chose the blue color, and it is lovely. This is what it looks like. Doesn't it look beautiful? Please tear off the protective film before use. Hooray! Okay, let's see what the box contains. You put in an extra strap. You put in a cable, probably for charging. Looks pretty. And there's a manual. I don't know if the battery is full enough for us to use it, but we'll find out. This is the screen of the wristband, and that's the app. I had to scan a QR code to get to here. Let's agree and continue. Well, devices location while using the app. Okay. He has connected. Gender, I am female. Done. Birthday. Done. My height. Done. My weight. They gave me 65 kg. I wish, but I don't want to be 65 kg. Okay. Done. My sleep length. Sorry, my step length. I don't know what that means. Just 80 as an adult. Done. Okay. This is what the app looks like. You monitor steps, sleep, heart rate, my blood pressure. Let me see what it looks like, because this is what I'm interested in mainly. The battery of the watch is very low, so you can see steps, sleep, measure heart rates, exercise, measure BP. I touched what I don't know. Okay, we're back on track. Measure BP. The battery is low, so I'm managing it, but it has other things that it does. Breathe, stopwatch, alarm, countdown, flashlights, game settings. Measure BP. Now we're doing it. You can see my blood pressure is 110/73, which is beautiful, and that's exactly what is showing on the app on the phone. As you can see, it just checked my blood pressure levels. At my age, this is a fantastic blood pressure, even after all the running around to shoot this video and the excitement of unboxing the wristband. I hope you are as excited as I am. Right now, it is a wonder that science and technology has come this far in helping us monitor the important metrics of our health, like the blood pressure monitor. You no longer need to go to the hospital to go check your blood pressure. Now you can wear a wristband that tells you how you are feeling on the inside. When you're stressed during the day, you can check and calm yourself down with deep breathing exercises, or you just relax and put your feet up. Now you know how you feel. Now even your heartbeat rate will tell you how your body is reacting to the circumstances around you. Life is stressful, but now we have the devices that can help us stay longer and live quality lives. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did unboxing this device. And in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link for you to go search for this wristband. Remember, life is lived once, and the best way to live it is when it's high quality. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop comments and questions in the comment section of this video. Whatever questions you have, drop in the comment section. Whatever observations you have, drop in the comment section so that we'll take it from there. I am here to help you live a quality life. Your life matters. Your health matters as well. I am Ungo. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.